Linear App Tutorial for Beginners. In this video, I will show you how to use the Linear app in 2025, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to linear.app and sign up for a free account using your email or Google login. Step 2. Once you are inside, create a new workspace and give it a name for your project or team. Step 3. Click on the Create Issue and add a task. You can set a title, description, priority, and assign it to a team member. Step 4. Use the left-hand sidebar to switch between views like roadmap, backlog, and cycles. Step 6. Try dragging tasks across the workflow board to move them from to do to in progress or done. Step 7. Enable integrations like Slack, GitHub, or Figma in the settings for better collaboration. Step 8. Use keyboard shortcuts like C to quickly create tasks or Command.K or Control.K to open the command menu. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.